My name is Tyrone from CT Williams Technologies, and today we will be unboxing the OwlView 8 megapixel camera from Uniview. What comes in the box is manual, the template, Allen key, the waterproof protector and screws, and the camera. This camera is a great camera. It's a great camera. One of the most amazing things about this camera is that it needs no light, absolutely no light, to give you full colored. When I first tried this out, it was mind-blowing for me. Alright, so this is the camera. It do have a light, a warm light that you can set it, a smart light. It's more like an intrusion light. So if you have somebody comes in, the light will come on and be like a deterrent, but it doesn't need a light to show colored. And this is an awesome camera, awesome. In stock at CT Williams Technologies Inc. This is the 8 megapixels. We have the 2, we got a 4, and we got a 6. And these cameras are already available at CT Williams Technologies Inc. You have distributor prices, and you have retailer, which we call the installer prices, and then we have ordinary retail price.